I can die. What am I? The answer is Batsy. What can you hold in your left hand but not in your right? The answer is your right elbow. What goes up and down but doesn't move? The answer is staircase. It belongs to you, but other people use it more than you do. What is it? The answer is your name. People buy meat to eat but never eat me. What am I? The answer is plates and cutlery. I am tall when I am young and I am short when I am old. What am I? The answer is a candle. I have no feet, no hands, no wings, but I climb to the sky. What am I? The answer is smoke. What is as big as an elephant but does not weigh anything at all? The answer is elephant shadow. What has ants and a face but can't hold anything or smile? The answer is a clock. What is full of holes but still holds water? The answer is a sponge. I fall but I never get hurt. What am I? The answer is snow. If you feed me, I grow, but if you give me water, I die. The answer is fire. I have a tail and a head, but no body. What am I? The answer is a coin. You will find me in Mercury, Earth, Mars and Jupiter, but not in Venus or Neptune. The answer is the letter R. It's the only place in the world where today comes before yesterday. Where is it? The answer is dictionary. What kind of room has no doors or windows? The answer is mushroom. Thank you for listening. Check out my previous videos in the description below. I will see you in the next video. Happy learning. Bye bye.